Concentrating even harder.
Oh yeah!
Ball him!
Come boys!
Nauman wins this little battle with a lower trajectory. Once again, Kasuza was attempting that shot against the hoop. And the stumps are rattled.
This will be disappointing. He's just played such a good shot.
Catch it! Get it!
Brendan Taylor's not interested in hanging around. This time, he goes over the man at mid-on. For Zimbabwe, 2 boundaries off the 2 last balls. 79 for 2.
Catch it! Yeah!
Wild swing, going for the big shot again, Chakaban. Difference between that one and the ones that is hit out of the ground was that's of the edge.
That's one way of probably moving them away. Because once they're in your face, you can hit like that and force the opposition, captain.
From that end. Once again, use of feet and into the gap by Milton Chumba. Boundary of the last ball of the over. 186 for 4.
Oh, that is a brilliant catch. That is a wonderful catch. Good awareness. Alert under the helmet. And he didn't shy away when he was looking to play the ball in his direction. Stayed low and took a brilliant catch. Oh, that looks good. And it is. Tiripano not picking up the length again as he did a couple of deliveries ago. And this one just keeping a little bit low, sliding on and hitting him plumb in front.
That's the 300th first-class wicket for Noman. Turns once again to battle it out for Zimbabwe.
Catch it!
Another wicket. Roy Kahia. First ball goes on the sweep.
Still shining brightly here in Harare. Oh, he's going for the reverse sweep. Tendai Chisoro is looking for runs and trying to catch some glory in the dying moments of the day. Yet another boundary for Tendai Chisoro.